Good morning, children. Welcome to English class, and we are back with worksheet number 4, and we will also solve textbook page 84, learning about language, question number 1, E, F and H. Okay, so we are going to solve this and this worksheet number 4. Now your worksheet number, oh I'm so sorry. This is your worksheet number 4, children. Let us see one question. A negative sentence is a sentence that states that something is not correct. In English, we create negative sentences by adding the word not after the helping verb. Okay, helping verbs is are, was, were, am. All these are helping verbs, children. Children, even if you don't remember this, you remember whenever you see is, are, was, were or am, you will just write not after them to make it negative. Okay, then next is negative sentences, helping verb plus not. For example, I was absent yesterday. The answer is I was not absent yesterday. Now over here, add not to the following sentences. They, now see children over here, they are guavas, they are not guavas. This mango, now see are is there, so we will add not over here. Children, I will not write all the sentences because it takes a lot of time in the video. Okay, I will show one and then we can proceed. They are not guavas, guavas. They are guavas, they are. Now since we have are, so we will just insert not over there. Okay, then the same way, is, are, am, was, were. These 5 things you see, you add not after them and the sentence becomes negative. Fine. Now the next one is, this mango is very fine. This, now see over here, you have is over here, children, is. So after is, you are going to insert not. Okay, here. So this mango is not very fine. Then next one is, I was joking. Okay, now here it is, I was joking. So here you will say I was, now was, I was not joking. Okay, now let us see the D one. They were going to the market. Now see over here, they were going to the market. Now you have were word over here, were helping word, verb over here. So you will write they were not going to the market, and then it becomes negative, isn't it? They were going to the market, they were not going to the market. I am a dancer, am word is there, helping verb, I am not a dancer. Okay, then next one is, the boys and girls are playing, our word is there, see, the boys and girls are not playing. Okay, like this you will continue with your this exercise. Okay, now I will show you the answers also of this. Now children, see, they are guavas, they are not guavas. This mango is very fine, this mango is not very fine. I was joking, I was not joking. They were going to the market, they were not going to the market. I am a dancer, I am not a dancer. Okay, the boys and girls are playing, the boys and girls are not playing. Okay, like this we have completed exercise number 1. Now let us proceed to the next exercise, and these are the answers, and these are the answers of your this exercise. Okay, fine. Now let us proceed to the next question, that is question number 2. Now see this. Now it says, we can make a sentence negative by adding did not before the verb. We can make a sentence negative by adding did not before the verb. If the verb is a doing word in its past tense, then we add did not. Now children, I repeat this again. When we make a sentence negative by adding we can make a sentence negative by adding did not before the verb. If the verb is a doing word in its past tense, instead of going so much in this language, I will explain you in simple language, children. If in the sentence if the action word is in yesterday form, okay, remember it properly, listen to me carefully, okay children. If in the sentence the action word is in yesterday form, we have to change it to present form, and then we will add did not. Okay, then we will add did not. Okay, like for example over here, Perumal took the captain's ship. So took is what? It is a past tense of take, isn't it? It is a past tense of take. So Perumal did not take the captain's ship. Sorry. Now change the meaning of the following by adding not. You will have to change the verbs too. Perumal liked guavas. Now here children, you see liked is what? In yesterday form. So it will become Perumal we will have to write did not. Instead of liked, we have to write like. Did not like guavas. Okay, now like this you have to change all. Now the second one says the captain looked through his telescope. So it will become the captain did not, okay, look through his telescope, full stop. Okay, then let us see the next question. The beautiful snake gave him a coin. The beautiful snake, gave is what? Past tense of give, isn't it? So we will underline this and we will write past tense of gave is give. The beautiful snake did not give him a coin. The ship came into the harbor. Now here came is the past tense of come. Okay, came is the past tense of come. So it will be the ship did not come into the harbor, full stop. Next one is Perumal sold all the mangoes. Now children, sold is the past tense of sell. So it will be Perumal did not sell all the mangoes. Okay, full stop. Then I will show you the answers also. Here are the answers, children. See, Perumal did not like guavas. The captain did not look through his telescope. The beautiful snake gave him a coin. The beautiful snake did not give him a coin. Then the ship came into the harbor. The ship did not come into the harbor. Perumal sold all the mangoes. Perumal did not sell all the mangoes. Okay, now we have to do question number 3. Read the sentences and tick the negative sentences. You have to read the sentences and tick the negative sentences, wherein you can see no or not. These two words make the sentences negative. Okay, so let us see. The green snake gave a gold coin to Perumal. No. Perumal did not play his flute. Yes, we can see did not over here. So we will tick. Perumal became rich and built a new house. It is not there. Then next one is Perumal did not sell all the mangoes. So yes, you can see did not. So put a tick. Okay. So these two sentences are only negative. Rest are all positive. Okay. So these are the answer keys, children. See. Check. Then the next question is here. Here. Then you have these two. Okay. So that's it, children. Thank you so much. I think it is it. Oh, we have to do this. you have already done except for E, F and H. Okay, so E, let us see what is E. The captain was very surprised. So was is here, so we will write the captain was not very surprised. Then after E, which one we have? F and H, na? Okay. So F, Perumal played his flute. Perumal did not. Why did not? Because it is played now over here. So we will make it to present tense. Perumal did not play his flute. Then H is I shall give you my whole ship. I shall not give you my whole ship. Okay. Then what else? These are the answers. You can also attach a page and write these answers in your textbook. Okay, children? So that's it, children. Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care and complete your work, children. Bye bye.